Hi, everybody, and welcome to iVueit Explain 4.0, focusing on our winter inspection services. If you're not exactly sure who iVueit is and what we do, you're in the right place. Or maybe you're a current customer of ours, but you still have some questions or want to better understand our capabilities. So my goal over the next 5 to 10 minutes is to talk you through those things and how iVueit could potentially be a resource for you. Before we jump in, let me introduce myself. My name is Jesse McKenzie. I'm a National Operations Manager, and I have been with iVueit for 3 years. Before coming to iVueit, I spent 10 years working in the facility maintenance and management industry through various companies and through different roles. So let's get started here. We know that one of the biggest problems in the service industry, and especially snow and ice management, is not knowing when your sites have been serviced or if they've been serviced at all. Along with that, having the critical information of knowing the conditions of your site both before the snow season as well as after the snow season. With average snow management costs being in the thousands of dollars a month, our winter inspection service program can be as low as $41 per month per site. Our typical schedule for this program starts with pre-snow walks in October through November, followed by our on-demand compliance visits November through March, and then ending with our post-snow walks March through May. Starting with our pre-snow walks here, these are designed to capture pre-season site conditions. This can be used to hold service providers accountable or to simply document current damages and verify all assets are protected. We can perform these walks with on-site management that includes capturing signatures, getting snow placement locations, checking that staking has been completed, as well as if snow equipment has been staged on site. Following the pre-snow walks, we get into our on-demand audits. This is typically the most important part of the program, and this is where you'll receive the peace of mind of knowing the current conditions of your sites. We can dispatch our viewers before, during, and after snow events to verify all aspects of compliance, from accurate vendor reporting, work order completion, knowing if your sites will be open for business, and most importantly, if the property is safe for customer traffic. This will give you real-time insights to make informed decisions and have accurate reporting back to your clients. Ending here with post-snow walks. These are much like the pre-season walks, and they're designed to compare the two together to check for any new damages or concerns that have occurred during the snow season. This can help you avoid paying for damages that were covered in the pre-snow visit. Again, we can also capture on-site management signatures if needed. And this can also help you start to prepare for your upcoming spring season. So all of this data is consumable in a variety of ways. We have PDF exports for each location that are timestamped and geocoded. We have exportable Excel data that will show you all of your completed locations, as well as any escalation statuses. All of this information is completely customizable to what you need collected. Some additional features with our app, starting with our in-app signatures. As I mentioned earlier, we're able to capture those signatures, store management sign-offs if needed. We also have an internal network. This is designed to have your contractor base use our app for service reporting. This can only be used by your internal network, and everything is housed in your iVueit portal. Your iVueit portal is your all-in-one place to see all of this information. Aerial map data showing your completed surveys, as well as the current status of any outstanding locations, site-specific data for each location that includes an overhead of each site, showing exactly where the viewers were when they were taking photos, as well as fully customizable survey data. So that briefly covers our winter inspection services program. So what are the next steps? To get started, simply just let us know in the chat that you'd like to complete a trial view, or email us at viewrequest@ivueit.com. Let us help free up your resources and improve quality control, because knowing that the job got done is just as important as getting the job done in the first place. So really, that's going to wrap it up for us today. Thank you for joining our Winter Services Explained, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.